Hello, students. I am Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to study the Happy Prince summary as well as multiple choice questions. So, in this video, I am going to tell you, मैं आपको ये बताने वाला हूँ summary of the chapter, the Happy Prince, and MCQ questions. We'll cover 20 MCQ questions along with summary of the chapter. तो बिना देर किए let's begin. The Happy Prince was a beautiful statue of a dead prince, decorated with gold leaves and precious stones. How is the statue of the Happy Prince? Decorated with gold leaves. There is a ruby in his sword hilt. Eyes are made of sapphires. Two bright sapphires were put at the place of eyes. One night a little swallow took shelter between the feet of the happy prince. He was on his way to Egypt. One day, a tiny bird swallow flew to the happy prince who was on his way to Egypt, came to the feet of the happy prince, the statue of the happy prince. He noticed that the happy prince was crying. Some drop of water fell over him, and when he looked, he saw, amazingly, the statue was crying. The water droplet was coming through the eyes of that statue of the happy prince. The prince was happy when he was alive. After his death, they set him high above the city from where he could see that the ugliness and all the misery of his people. उसके मरने के बाद उसके लोगों ने क्या किया, उसका स्टेचू लगा दिया एक बड़े टॉल कॉलम पे, जहां से वो अपने सिटी के लोगों के दुख दर्द को समझ सकता था, देख सकता था. The happy prince wanted to help poor and so he sought the help of the swallow. Happy prince, even though he was dead, wanted to help his countrymen, country people. So he sought help. अपने लोगों की मदद करने के लिए वो कहता है swallow से, क्योंकि वो तो कहीं जा नहीं सकता था. His feet was fastened. That is why he sought help from the swallow. Swallow से कहा तुम मेरे लिए रुक जाओ, मेरी मदद कर दो. Every night the prince would request the swallow to take away one of his precious stone and give it to the needy. And every night, first of all, the red ruby from the sword hilt was given to the sea mistress. Then after, first eye of sapphire was given to the young man, the playwright. The second eye was given to a match girl who had spoiled the matches, and she was afraid her father would beat her. Furthermore, the leaves which were decorated on the body were given to different people every night, to children, to beggars, to the needy people. After the prince lost his sight, when two sapphire eyes were gone, the prince lost his sight, the prince was blind. The swallow would narrate the sufferings of the people. The swallow obeyed him, made a round around the city, and told what he saw in the city. As commanded by the prince, he picked leaf after leaf of the fine gold and gave it to the poor, the needy. The intense cold killed the swallow. Now everyone was happy, children were very happy. It was snow and frost time. So he was feeling cold, he was very cold. Due to intense cold, he died. The swallow's death broke the prince's leaden heart, and as soon as he died, there was a cracking sound inside the statue. leaden heart of the happy prince broken into two, snatched into two. The statue looked shabby, so they pulled it down. When the mayor of the city made a round over there, he looked the statue looked shabby. He ordered his men to pull it down. God was very pleased by their act when he ordered one of his angels to bring two most precious things from the city. That angel brought the leaden heart and the dead bird. At this point, God said, "You have rightly chosen, for in my garden of paradise the little bird shall sing forever. More in my city of gold, the happy prince shall praise me." In this way, this story of Oscar Wilde ends. Now we'll study 20 most important MCQ questions from this chapter. So, the very first question, the answer I have told you just. Who is the writer of the Happy Prince story? You have time, some seconds, you can answer it. The writer of the story, The Happy Prince, is Oscar Wilde. I just told you some seconds ago. Next question. Why was the prince called happy? What was the reason behind it? प्रिंस को लोग हैप्पी क्यों बुलाते थे? हैप्पी प्रिंस क्यों कहते थे? Because he never cried, because he was very lucky, because he had everything, because he always smiled and was living in a palace of happiness where sadness was not allowed to enter. So, which option? I hope you have chosen the right option. D. Because he always smiled and was living in a palace of happiness. Question number 3. What was done after the prince's death? When the prince died, उसके मरने के बाद क्या किया गया था? You know very well कि उसके मरने के बाद वो उसके लोगों ने क्या किया? What was done after the prince's death? His statue was made, he was forgotten, people cried, people became corrupt. What happened? I hope you have chosen the right option now. Option A. His statue was made. Where? On a tall column with gold leaves. Question number 4. The happy prince sent the ruby to whom? Whom was the ruby from the sword hilt given? I just told you in this video. Seamstress, who was a poor woman who did not have anything, who was sewing, who was preparing the dress of the queen's maid, or a man, or a beggar, the swallow. Whom did he give the ruby from the sword hilt? किसको दिया वो रूबी, रेड रूबी? I hope you have chosen the right option now. Seamstress, a poor woman whose baby was lying ill on the bed and asking for oranges. Question number 5. What made the seamstress's child relaxed? Why did he feel relaxed? What was the thing? क्या ऐसा हुआ कि वो बीमार बच्चा रिलैक्स्ड फील किया and said, I am getting better now, and went into slumber sleep? Options: Ruby, Happy Prince, Swallow, Fanning by the Swallow. What? Fanning by the swallow. So, what is our correct option? Fanning by the swallow. When the swallow fanned around him with his wings, he felt sleepy. He slept. Question number 6. The happy prince sent the sapphire eyes to whom he sent the sapphire eyes. I have told you everything in this video itself some moments ago. You have options. किसको दिया अपनी दोनों आंखें? Sapphire eyes, match girl and young writer, poor lady, a beggar, children. I hope you have chosen the correct option. Match girl and young writer. First of all, the young writer who was a playwright and who was writing a play for the director of the theater, but because of unavailability of fire, he was feeling cold and he could not write the play. Secondly, the match girl who had spoiled her matches in the gutter, who had let the matches down in the gutter, and who was afraid that her father would beat her if she does not earn some money. Question number 7. Why did Happy Prince send the sapphire to a young writer and the match girl? What was the reason he sent the Happy Prince sent the sapphire to a young writer and the match girl? To send help and to make them happy, to show them power, to surprise them, to tease them. Which option? I hope you have chosen the right option now. To send help and make them happy. Next one, question number 8. What did the swallow notice while flying over the city? What did he see? क्या देखा उसने जब वो शहर के ऊपर से उड़ रहा था? Options: plight of the poor and greed of the rich, birds flying in the sky, many poor people, many waste things. So, what did he notice? He noticed rich men making merry in their houses while beggars at the gates. So, very first option, plight of the poor and the greed of the rich. So, this is our correct option. Next one, question number 9. What made Happy Prince blind? What happened with the Happy Prince that made him blind? उसकी आंखें कैसे चली गईं? Those eyes, bright sapphire eyes. Option number 1, giving away 2 sapphires, an arrow, a shooting gun, stone pelting. आंखें उसने अपनी दान कर दी, एक तीर आके लग गया आंख में, गन लग गई, गोली लग गई, स्टोन पेल्टिंग, किसी ने पत्थर मार दिया. Which option? Option number 1, giving away 2 sapphires. He gave as a charity those 2 sapphires to a young man and a young girl. Question number 10. Before I proceed further, I would like to remind you, tell me in comment section how many of your answers out of these 20 questions you made correctly. You did correctly. If you find it useful, hit the like button and share with your friends. Why was the swallow not ready to move to Egypt? What was the reason he was not ready to move to Egypt? Options: because Happy Prince became blind, because of kindness of Happy Prince, Because Happy Prince would be alone? None. Which option? Why did he not leave the prince? Because Happy Prince became blind. What moved Swallow's heart? स्वैलो का हृदय किसने परिवर्तित कर दिया? हैप्पी प्रिंस, हैप्पी प्रिंस काइंडनेस, हैप्पी प्रिंस assets, all. So which is our correct option? Till now you have chosen the right option. Happy Prince kindness. The kindness of the happy prince. उसकी दया ने, उसकी चैरिटी ने उस स्वैलो का हृदय परिवर्तन कर दिया. Question number 12. Why did Happy Prince give away all his assets? हैप्पी प्रिंस ने अपना सब कुछ दान क्यों कर दिया? Why did he give it away? Everything he had. For what reason? To eradicate. Option A. To eradicate misery and sorrow from his city. To show his power. To show his richness. None. Which option? Option A. To eradicate misery and sorrow from his city. Question number 13 is on your screen. Name the most precious things in the story that the angel took to give to God. What are the most precious things he took to the God? I told you in the video itself while telling you the summary. What are the two things? Leaden heart of happy prince and the dead swallow, and the God was very happy. He said the angel that he had rightly chosen. Question number 14. Why were prince and the swallow so precious? क्यों precious थे ये? Because of their kindness and selflessness, because of their services, because they had many possessions, because they were rich. Very first option, because of their kindness and selflessness. Next question, question number 15. What did the prince do to make the people of his city happy? What was done by him? What sacrifices were done by him? क्या किया उसने अपने लोगों को खुश करने के लिए? Told them stories, gave away all his precious gems and stones, talked to people, made swallow fly here and there. Option B. Gave away all his precious gems and stones. Next question, question number 16. What did Swallow do to be with Happy Prince? Swallow ने हैप्पी प्रिंस के साथ रहने के लिए क्या किया? क्या मदद किया उसने? Helped him flying here and there, stopped flying to distant places, sacrificed his trip to Egypt. What did he do? उसने अपनी इजिप्ट ट्रिप को बलिदान कर दिया. He sacrificed his trip to Egypt. I hope you are doing well. Question number 17. What did Swallow become to help the prince? क्या रोल निभाया? क्या किया उसने हैप्पी प्रिंस की हेल्प करने के लिए? क्या बन के उसका काम करता है? His messenger, his friend, his minister, his assistant. His messenger. Yeah, absolutely right. His messenger. Question number 18. Where did the swallow die? Swallow की डेथ कहाँ हुई? In the city, Under the fountain, at the feet of the statue, in a house. Where? Option number C. Under the feet of the statue. Next one, second last. Why did Swallow die? Swallow क्यों मरा? What was the reason? किसकी वजह से मरा? कैसे मरा? Because of prince, because of people's behavior, because of growing cold. Because of growing cold. Cold made him very cold, and that is why he died. Although he tried to flutter his wings to keep himself warm, but he could not. And ultimately, after kissing the lips of the happy prince, he falls and died. Now, last question in this video: what happens when the swallow dies? क्या होता है जब swallow मरता है? Leaden heart of the prince was broken into two pieces. Children cried, prince cried, people cried. What happened? As soon as the bird died, there was a cracking sound inside the statue. Actually, leaden heart of the prince was broken into two parts, two pieces. So what is our correct option? Option A. Leaden heart of the prince was broken into two pieces. I hope you have done well. Tell me in comment section how many of your answers were correct. Thanks for watching.